name is Amni. I am 7 years old. Today I will present a story. The title is The Wind and the Sun. The wind and the sun argued about which of them was the stronger. The wind said, I am so powerful that I can blow all the clouds out of the sky. The sun said, I am more powerful because I can heat up the sea below and this will produce many more clouds. For a long time, the sun and the wind went on arguing. Then they saw a boy walking along the road below. He was wearing a coat. The wind suddenly had an idea. He said, let's see who can make that boy take off his coat. The sun agreed. The wind started first. He blew as hard as he could. He blew from behind and he blew from in front of the boy. The harder he blew, the more tightly the boy held on to his coat to keep himself warm. After a while, the wind gave up. Now it was the sun's turn. She came out from behind the cloud and shone on the boy. The boy felt warm. It began to get hotter and hotter. Soon the boy could not stand the heat any longer. He took off his coat. The sun had won. The moral of the story is we may be more successful by being gentle than by using force. Thank you.